Good night, my name is Deteriorationm. The subject that corresponds to me exposed is deterioration of computer hydraulical and mortar effects of chemical acceleration on physical and mechanical properties of carbonate minerals. A traditional sponsor in the form of nice substrate with lime mortar is common throughout the world. There are the three possible ways of interaction of environment with Masori cool chain in response to the chain. Bonding polystyrene walls were not traced relate a hand to avoid possible adverse effect on the material of the mold or that in the table number 2 show the quantities required of 8 liters, of which 3 were used as sponsor. The samples were cured in an environmental cabinet for 6 days. The specimen are expected to be dry enough to start carbonation after 2 days. Accelerated leaching after 56 days of curing, the samples contained individual were caged or placed in glass sphere when immersed for a maximum of 169 days in an spirit tank. These were immersed in the UNICEF where the parallel treatment for the 56 days. Unfortunately, insufficient samples were available to complete all the tests in 100 and 169 days, and it was necessary to resume leaching with water after 56 days. Using 3 collection points in an invertible instrument of Lois and the combine of M5 maximum load capacity. The force was increased until the pilot occurred and the specimen was split in 2. And the fractures of paint were sprayed with 1% phenomenally solution to give an indication of the penetration of the carbonation from as a result of the curing and the acceleration carbonation process. The sample was dry in an oven at 85 for 24 and the absorption capacity was determined. Each specimen was allowed to cool and then 5 page were complete, leaving the fracture surface for the uncooled. The fracture medium was cooled with a young diamond, so to produce a 40 cool, which was tested on the alloys and the 5 universal testing machine. The thin section prepared and impregnated with blue dye resin to highlight the porosity to identify longer aggregate and porosity. Result: here we can analyze the physical test for our carbonate simply by ammonium nitrate and leaching clear water present here. The absence of thin coloration of the fracture surface when described with the phenomenon solution confirming that the producer described in section 2.3. Result of the test is a completely carbonate at the start of the leaching treatment, although it is possible that there may be a small amount of residual. In the table number 3 shows that there is a clear difference between the specimen leached in ammonium nitrate and the unit zero. Due to the lack of specimen data, solidity is available one for the 0 and 36 days of leaching. The union is like after toward the interior regions. Cracks imply abundance and width toward interior regions and are wider in the mortars under 3.5 but small at be determined in the NHL income. And the result present here after carbonate natural hydraulic and mortar. The big one, the surface of the masonry construction which had the opportunity to use its lifetime dried sufficiently to allow the carbonation of course. Ammonium nitrate dissolution mortar has provided the lesion ahead for studying the deterioration of naturally lovely 9 and sorry mortar. The lesion for calcium from the carbonate, the reduced the resistance and increase the absorption capacity of NaHl mortar with the following kinase appears for the process.